Hello everyone. Today I am going to take class on common pest of lady's finger. Erias fabia. Erias fabia is a medium-sized insect whose larvae are fruit boring of lady's finger. Adult insect are creamy white in color. Forewings have a bird-shaped band. Life cycle involves 4 stages: egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. Egg. Egg is spherical in shape. Female lays egg either singly or doublets or triplets on the soft part of the host plant. Larvae. Larvae of Erias fabius emerge in 2 to 4 days under warm condition or in 8 to 9 days under cool condition. They roam about on the plant surface for some time, then they pour into shoot buds and fruit and feed on the tissue. The fully grown larvae is dark brown in color. Pupa. The larvae pupate in boat-shaped cocoons in the soil. Sexes need to be distinguished and separated in the pupal stage. Presence of a conical knob at the anterior dorsal end of the male cocoon, which does not exist in female. Pupa grow and mature to adult insect within 6 to 12 days. Adult insect are creamy white in color, and their lifespan is about 8 to 25 days. Usually they undergo mating in 2 to 3 days after the emergence. Damage. The caterpillars of Erias fabia are the most harmful pest of lady's finger. They bore into the tender shoot tip and fruits and feed on their tissue. The fruits are crowded with the caterpillars and fixed with their excreta. This damages the fruits and make them unsuitable for human consumption. Control measures include removal and destruction of affected plant parts and fruits to kill the larvae. Spraying of chemicals such as DDT, Eldrin, Sevin once in 3 weeks. And the application of natural enemies. The egg of Erias are parasited by Trichogramma evanescens, larvae by Microbrachion lefroy, and pupae by Chilonas heliope. The next pest is Helicoverpa armigera. It is commonly called as gram pod borer or gram caterpillar, infecting cotton, sorghum, maize, corn, and tomato. Adult mouth is light brown or brownish yellow in color with a dark area and a dark V-shaped speck on each forewing. Life cycle involves 4 stages. They are egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. The female lays shining and greenish yellow eggs on the tender part of the host plants. They lays about 750 eggs in 4 days. The larvae hatch out in 3 to 7 days. The young larvae of Helicoverpa armigera is dark brown in color. They feed on the leaves and terminal bud and then bore into the pods and feed on developing grains. When sufficient vegetation is not available, the caterpillar become cannibals and feed their own fellows. The larval life lasts for 12 to 30 days. Fully grown larvae are greenish yellow in color with a dark grey broken strip along the side. And the pupa are dark brown in color, and the pupal life lasts for 8 to 50 days. The adult insects are light brown or brownish yellow with dark V-shaped speck on each forewing, and their mating starts 4 days after the emergence. The major destruction of the crop is done by the caterpillar. The caterpillars eat away the leaves, bore into the pods, and feed on the grains, severely damaging the foliage, pods, and grains. This often defoliated the plants and considerably reduces the yield. Control measures. Control methods include spraying the crop with chemicals such as Fosalon, endosulfan, carbaryl, Endrin, etc. Dusting with BHC, endosulfan, carbaryl at the initial stage of flowering. Handpicking and destruction of caterpillars at the early stage of attack. Ploughing the field after harvest to expose and kill pupae, and the application of natural enemies. That's all about the topic. Thank you.